Good evening, everyone. I'm reporting live on today's top story. I am Joy Samuel. Here are the headlines for today. U.S. Senate passes junior stablecoin bill in 68 to 30 votes. Agricultural firm named AgriForce empowers 120 crypto miners with natural gas. Bitcoin and other cryptos dips as Trump says Iran leader is an easy target. Washington's second biggest city, Spokane, bans crypto ATMs. Thailand approves 5 years crypto tax exemption. Suspected Israeli groups hacked Iran Nobitex crypto exchange and $48 million stolen. Welcome once again. U.S. Senate passes junior stablecoin bill in 68 to 30 votes. The Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoin, or Genius Act, is one step closer to becoming law in the U.S. after the U.S. Senate voted to pass an amended version of the bill. In a Tuesday vote of 68 to 30, majority of the U.S. Senate chose to pass the Genius Act 6 weeks after Tennessee Senator Bill Haggett introduced the legislation. The bill's companion Stable Act may be considered in the House of Representatives, where it could face additional proposal for amendment. With this bill, the United States is one step closer to becoming the global leader in crypto, said Haggett from the Senate floor before the Tuesday vote. Haggett added, once the Junior Act is law, businesses of all sizes and Americans across the country will be able to settle payments instantaneously rather than waiting for days or sometimes even weeks. The Genius Act initially failed a cloture vote in the Senate in May in response to Democratic oppositions to U.S. President Donald Trump's connection to the cryptocurrency industries. The Trump family has a significant stake in World Liberty Financial, which issued its own USD1 stablecoin in March. It's unclear whether the stablecoin legislation will have enough support to pass in the House, where Republicans also hold a slim majority over Democrats. Trump AI and crypto Caesar David Sack suggested in May that the president would support the bill passed by a Republican-controlled Congress. Agricultural firm named AgriForce empowers 120 crypto miners with natural gas. AgriForce says it launched a site that used stranded gas to empower 120 Bitcoin mining rings and will expand to 2 additional sites in Canada. Canadian agricultural firm AgriForce Growing System Limited has launched an initiative to use stranded gas to empower 120 Bitcoin mining rigs, which the company says it's planned to expand. The site, located in Berwyn, Alberta, and launched in partnership with energy provider Bluefire Energy, draws in 425 kilowatts for 32 petahashes per second of computing power, AgriForce said on Tuesday. The site will use so-called stranded gas, a natural gas that can't be immediately taken to market as it's either not economically viable to mine or can't be physically reached by the equipment needed to extract it. AgriForce also signed a binding letter of intent with Bluefire to open 2 more sites in the Alberta region in Owen and Hilton, which will replicate the model used at its Berwyn site. We don't wait for permits or grid upgrades. We convert gas into compute in weeks, not years, AgriForce CEO Julie Khan said. Moving forward, AgriForce Bitcoin strategy. AgriForce said it has already mined 7 Bitcoin, worth approximately $735,000 from its operation in Alberta and Ohio. The Canadian firm could keep as much as half of the BTC it mined in its Bitcoin treasury, while the other half will be used for expanding its operations. The firm said it could use up to 50% of the money it raised as capital to directly buy Bitcoin. Moving forward, AgriForce stock reaction. Shares in AgriForce rose by 1.85% on Tuesday and ended the trading session at $1.10. However, AgriForce stock is down more than 53% year to date, according to Google Finance. During the fiscal year ending 2024, AgriForce revenue saw an increase of 317% year over year, while its net profits increased more than 66% during the same period. Moving forward, renewable energy used for mining. With the cost of mining Bitcoin going up, miners will likely look at alternatives to keep their costs low. A report from Bitcoin mining research firm, the Miner Mag, indicates that the cost to produce a single BTC stood at $64,000 in the first quarter of this year. The firm expects this cost to increase to $70,000 during the quarter ending at June 2025. Earlier this year, a report highlighted that miners' resilience on traditional coal-based source of electricity is dwindling, while on the other hand, miners are increasingly adopting renewable energy, which is growing at an average rate of 5.8% yearly. Bitcoin and other cryptos dips as Trump says Iran leader is an easy target. The crypto market dropped after US President Donald Trump said he knows where Iran leader is hiding and that he is an easy target. Bitcoin and the broader crypto market tumbled after US President Donald Trump sparked microeconomic uncertainty with his remark threatening Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. We know exactly where the so-called supreme leader is hiding. He is an easy target, but he's safe there. We are not going to take him out, as in kill. At least not for now, Trump said on his own social media platform, Truth Social, on Tuesday. Moving forward, Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP tumbles. We don't want missiles shot at civilians or American soldiers. Our patient is wearing thin. Thank you for your attention to this matter, Trump added. He also called for Iran's unconditional surrender. It comes amid the ongoing geopolitical tension between Iran and Israel, which was reignited after Israel carried out dozens of airstrikes on Iran on Thursday night. Iran has since retaliated with a series of drone and missiles striking against Israel. After Trump's post was published, Bitcoin dipped from $104,310 to $103,553 within the hours, before recovering to $105,450 at the time of publication, according to CoinMarketCap data. Ether fell to 1.3% to $2,462, while XRP dipped from 1.3% to $2.14 over the same period. Crypto market sentiment also took a downturn. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which measures overall crypto market sentiment, fell 16 points from greed to neutral for the first time in 11 days, scoring 52 out of 100. Moving forward, the drop catalyst in the crypto market. This isn't the first time Bitcoin and the broader crypto market have reacted to Trump's remarks. It has been the case since Trump returned to the White House at the beginning of this year. On February 2nd, just days after his inauguration, Bitcoin fell below $100,000 for the first time in 6 days after he signed an executive order imposing import tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico. Yet, it was his election win in November 2024 that many believe triggered a major rally, with Bitcoin hitting $100,000 for the first time ever just a month later on December 5th. Moving forward, analysts are uncertain if Bitcoin can hold above $100. Some analysts believe that the ongoing tension will soon cause Bitcoin to retest the psychological $100,000 price level. Crypto analyst Dr. Profit said Bitcoin will drop below $100,000 in the coming days. He said he expected it to go as low as $93,000 and the stock market price would follow. SP 500 will follow with a 7 to 10% drop as well. More red candles ahead of us, he added. Other traders seized Bitcoin's sustained position above $100,000 in recent times as laying the groundwork for a stronger upward trend. Crypto trader Gilly said, once again, much more sustainable than a rapid climb without any structure being built. On Tuesday, Bitfinex analysts said that Bitcoin is still at risk of falling further and it must hold above $102,000 to stay on track for a potential rebound. Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Do you want to make money from crypto without investing any money at all? Yes, you heard me right. Without any single funds. Are you between the age of 15 to 25 years, right? And you know how to use a phone very well with an internet connection, right? I'm Crypto Talker by name, and I'll teach you how to make money from crypto for free without any funds. All you have to do is test some sites for free, and they'll pay you for testing this site when they launch their token. Use free faucets. We call them free faucets. You get free faucets, use it to test their site for them, right? And they mark your wallet address, an address that tested their site when they were in the testing phase, and they will reward you their tokens when they launch, right? Now, I'm teaching you how to do all this for free in my community. All you have to do is click anywhere around this video. Then once you click the link, you're going to see a follow button by the top right. Click on that follow button, right? And you're already in the channel. Now, I'll also put the link to a support group inside that channel so that you can ask your question. Because inside this channel, you can't ask questions. Inside the support group, you're able to ask questions. I'll be there to answer your questions. Some of my admins will also be there to answer your questions with video guides. All right? Thousands of people are already making money from cryptocurrencies for free. Like my student Eze, here is his testimonial. Ebuka, my student, here is his testimonial. And Aisha, these are some of my students that have made money from cryptocurrencies without any fund. Now click the link below or anywhere around this video to join the Crypto Talker channel right now. This channel is open just for 24 hours for free. After that time, you'll be able to use the link you're seeing right now to join the channel again. I'll see you on this side. This is Crypto Talker here. Peace out.
Welcome back. Washington's second biggest city, Spokane, bans crypto ATMs. Spokane City Council has banned crypto ATMs to curb rising scams, giving operators 60 days to remove machines amid concern over fraud and vulnerable residents. Spokane, the second largest city in Washington state, has banned crypto ATMs in response to a surge in scam activities targeting local residents. Spokane City Council said on Monday that it became the first city in Washington to ban cryptocurrency ATMs following an unanimous vote. The measure was proposed by council member Paul Dillon, who helped to put forward the ban, said that crypto ATMs have become a preferred tool for scammers looking to defraud unsuspecting victims, and the ban will protect vulnerable Spokane residents from scams involving virtual currency kiosks. Dillon told local newspaper that the spokesman revealed that the measure will ban future ones as well as remove existing kiosks. We see a lot located in poor neighborhoods, convenience store and grocery store. According to the ordinance, the city of Spokane has seen a significant increase in scam arising from the use of cryptocurrency kiosks, and there has been a steady increase in victims losing thousands of dollars. The edict added that it provides a tool to protect consumers from those individuals who rely primarily on virtual currency to defraud others. Moving forward, monitoring the impact, crypto ATM operators have 60 days to remove dozens of kiosks citywide or face civil infrastructure and businesses license revoked. On Tuesday, the Spokane City Council said it will track progress and report on whether the ordinance has a measurable impact on the frequency of reported crimes involving crypto kiosks. Moving forward, hotbed for scammers. Police detective Tim Schwingen reportedly told the council that he has seen a number of cases where money fed into these chaos will end up in places like China, North Korea, or Russia. He said that criminals impersonate law enforcement or tax officials, telling victims to buy crypto at the ATMs to protect their money or avoid jail time. These criminals are scamming people, saying that they need to move their money into cryptocurrency in order to protect it. Schwering said, according to the spokesman review, by the time the money is in the cryptocurrency, it's already too late. Moving forward, crypto kiosk scam surge. The FBI reported in April that there were almost 11,000 complaints and over $246 million in losses associated with crypto ATM scams in 2024, a 31% increase from 2023. He noted that scammers have also been targeting the elderly, with 2/3 of the victims of crypto kiosk fraud and scams being over 60. Thailand approves 5 years crypto tax exemption. Thailand has approved tax exemptions on income from the sales of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin for 5 years, according to a Ministry of Finance announcement. Thailand will waive the capital gains tax on crypto sales made through licensed crypto asset service provider in the period from January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2029, Deputy France Minister de Lapon Monouvat said in a statement issued on Tuesday. According to the minister, the measure is designed to strengthen Thailand's position as a global financial hub and one of the first countries to adopt law for digital assets and their taxation. The tax measure also aims to promote cryptocurrency trading in Thailand under the supervision of the Thai Security and Exchange Commission in compliance with anti-money laundering policies recommended by the Financial Action Task Force. In the statement, the minister highlighted the role of crypto assets in fundraising, which is an important use case for technology and innovation in Thailand. According to the ministry estimations, crypto assets are projected to help the Thai economy expand and increase tax revenue in the middle term by no less than 1 billion baht or $30.7 million. Suspected Israeli group hacks Iran's Nobitex crypto exchange and $48 million stolen. The leading crypto exchange in Iran, named Nobitex, has announced a significant security breach today with the suspected Israeli group named Konjeski Darande managing to steal over $48 million from the exchange. The warlike situation between Iran and Israel has raised various concerns on the security of digital infrastructures in the country. As per on-chain data analysis and blockchain security firm On-Chain Labs, this incident follows a pattern of cyber attack by the suspected Israeli group named Konjeski Darande, which recently claimed responsibility for disabling 70% of Iran's gas stations and targeting bank SEPA, suggesting a coordinated effort against Iranian infrastructure amid escalating regional tension. On-Chain Lab also noted that the exchange has seen elite withdrawals in $48.65 million in USDT on the Tron blockchain network. The incident, dictated at 6:24 UTC, prompted an immediate shutdown of the platform website and apps as the company's security team investigates the unauthorized access. The breach was confirmed by the Nobitex team in an expose, citing that their technical team detected signs of unauthorized access to one of the exchange hot wallets and would like to remind you that users' assets are completely secure according to cold storage standard. And the above incident only affected a portion of the assets in hot wallets. The team said Nobitex accepts full responsibility for this incident and assured users that all damage will be compensated through the insurance fund and Nobitex resources. Prominent security researcher Zach XBT confirmed that the amount of stolen funds is $81.7 million on Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other EVM chains. Let's take a look at people's sentiment reaction on today's crypto markets, the Fear and Greed Index. As of June 18, 2025, the Fear and Greed Index stands at 65, indicating a sentiment of greed. This marks a significant recovery from earlier April when the index was in the extreme fear zone. That will be all for now. We'll bring you more latest updates as more information becomes available. Stay with us for more breaking news and do well to subscribe, like, share and comment your thoughts for real-time interaction. Reporting live from Crypto News Hack, I am Joy Samuel. Thanks for watching. Good night.